Hello, welcome to the Bugzilla project meeting for March 4th, 2020. I'm David Miller, I'm the project leader for Bugzilla. And I have Emmanuel Simon on the phone with me here. And Dylan Hardison, who is the main dev lead at the moment, is not here. He got stuck outside of his house and couldn't get in here today. And most of the stuff on the agenda was for him. So I got a couple things I can share. If I can find his notes here. The main thing that we've got going on is that Bugzilla 5.2 has not released yet. It's still imminent. He's hoping to have the stuff coordinated to have that wrapped up, at least the development part for that this coming weekend, and hopefully releasing not too soon, not too long after that. The main thing that's going to happen in Bugzilla 5.2 is supporting MariaDB 10. And it's not going to support MySQL 8 because they decided to make groups be a reserved word, and that's too big of a change for us to shove into a stable release. So 5.2 is not going to support MySQL 8, and it will yell at you if you try to install it with that. It'll detect that and suggest you use Maria instead. Or you can use Postgre or any of the other databases that it supports on the back end also. Let's see. I guess that was most of it. Dylan was talking about hoping to set up a Bugzilla instance running 5.2, presumably for us to put Bugzilla bugs in so we can stop confusing people on Mozilla's Bugzilla, I guess. That'll be an interesting change. And then the other thing that we had on the agenda was about the GitHub Access Token API deprecation. And I know there was a person working on that, but I hadn't gotten a status update of how far along that got yet. But that's supposed to be getting included in 5.2 as well, the fix for that. I'd be surprised if that's not done already, actually. I just haven't heard, and I wasn't paying attention to the right bug mail to see it if it did. So we had a question submitted on IRC asking what the current relationship is between Bugzilla.mozilla.org and the upstream Bugzilla project, since Dylan doesn't work at Mozilla anymore. Does Mozilla still plan to contribute? And I do know that Mozilla, last time that I talked to them, they had 3 developers working on Bugzilla still. They are working on Mozilla's Bugzilla specifically and not upstream. But as far as I know, they're still planning to contribute stuff back, and their code is still in a public GitHub repository, so we can cherry pick from it if we want anyway. Was hoping to get somebody from that team here on this call, but nobody's replied to me when I've been poking them. So that was only in the last hour or so that I've been poking them though. So it's probably too early in the morning for them, like it's too late for the people in Europe. So if anybody else has anything, if Emmanuel's got anything, speak up on IRC or on Matrix.
No, nothing on my end.
No, not seeing any other questions. So indeed, we're going to have a short meeting today. So our next scheduled meeting is going to be on April 1st. April Fool's Day, yay. So yeah, same time of day, 9 p.m. Europe, 9 p.m. London time, 1 p.m. Pacific, April 1st. And we will see you all then. Have a good month.
Bye.